Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Ahmed Olusoya, and in this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can build an email sender application, desktop application in just 4 minutes with this AI genius, all right? And it's not only email sender application you can build cooperative apps, you can build logistics apps, you can build e-commerce apps using this platform with just a click, all right? So I'm going to be showing you the snippets. I'm going to be showing you the excerpts of this AI, how it works. And this is one of the application of AI that we are going to be exploring in this course. All right, this is just one of it. So I want you to pay attention, short all instructions, and implement what I want to show you. All right, and make sure you understand fully how it works. It's going to blow your mind. It's going to be insane that this world is becoming something else. All right, with the advent of AI, you can actually do anything. You can fire your programmer. You can be a programmer, all right, without even knowing how to code. This is what I'm going to be showing you in this video, all right? By the end of this video, you'll be wowed, you'll be marveled, like, wow, how can you create this massive app? This is what I want to show you in this video. So stay calm and stay cool as I walk you through how this is done. With just 1 minute, you can build a massive app that will be fully functional, and you can build an app that will be generating consistent income for you every single time. Without further ado, let's get into it, guys. In the platform, the first thing first we need to do is you need to get your prompt. We are going to be interacting with prompts. You can just create a fully fledged application with just prompts, all right? Just prompt it with just natural language. You don't need to learn about coding. You don't need to learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript. No. You don't need all that. That one is gone, all right? Now, this is one of the AI tools that we are going to be exploring in this course, all right? So I'm going to be showing you how we can build this massive app within 1 minute or less, all right? Now, let's happen. Now, I've generated my prompt and I'm going to paste my prompt here, all right? Now, this is my prompt, all right? I want to generate an email app. And how do I generate all these prompts? Don't worry, it's very simple. That is the most easiest thing that you're going to learn in this course. But I want to show you how this app can be generated, can be produced, can be written with this AI code within just 1 minute. Now, let's see how the beast will start to work. Now, I'll just click on OK now, and you see how this beast will start working, all right? Oh, wow. You can see that started writing the code for me, all right? You can see this is the code. So once it is done, I'll just export my file. I will just boom. I will just start exploring, start using my app. You can see now it's not even up to 1 minute, right? You see some seconds. So we are still counting. And he's writing all the code for me within one click. I don't need to do anything. It's going to generate everything for me within 1 minute or less. All right. So this is how massive the app is and how AI can revolutionize our activities, all right, in this era, in this time of our era here. Now, you can see that it has generated everything for me. You can see now that you can now use this code outside this content view. Now, I'm going to export this code and I'm going to use it in my program. So how do I export it? And I'm going to show you how you can even convert this application, how you can even convert it into desktop application so that we can use. I'll go ahead, I'll export my file so that I can use it in my file. So let me go ahead and export my file. I'll be right back. So I've successfully exported my file. So I'm going to unzip this file. So to unzip this file, I'll just go to my win here. I'll just click on extract here. All right, it's going to extract all the files for me. These are all the files. All right. Now the next thing I'm going to do here is just to install this requirement. All right, as it has given us in the outcome. So I'm going to install this requirement by going to my command prompt. I'll just navigate to the folder, all right? Just navigate to the folder and just paste this command prompt, all right? It will install all the requirements for me, all right? So if you have not installed that requirement, it's going to install all the requirements for you in Jiffy, all right? Then you can see that I've installed this myself. Then the next thing is to do is just to convert our app into what? A desktop app. How can I do that? I'll just write this code, all right? I'll just write this code. See? So once I write this code, so I'll just enter. So it's going to convert this app into a desktop app for me. You can see that AI is very crazy, right? AI is very, very crazy. So once it converts this app into desktop for me, then I can now use it. I can now sell this app. I can now use it for various means, all right? You can see that it's still converting this app for me. So it can take around 1 minute, all right? Depending on your laptop speed, all right? So you can use this application on different devices. You can use it on iOS, you can use it on Linux, you can use it on Windows Server or Windows system. All right, so it is a cross platform. You can use it anywhere. That's why you are creating this desktop application. It fits anywhere. You can see that it has successfully completed. We are going to go to our desktop app, which is here. We are going to execute it. So it's going to give us our app. You can see, wow. You can see within 1 minute, all right, our app is ready. You can see this, we are going to enter our server, SMTP server, our port, our username, and our password, then send email. You can see the fields here, all right. Then I'm going to choose TLS, SSL, none. So you can see send mail ready. You can see everything, save log ready. Logs will be saved, all right. Then clear fields and clear the fields. Then from name, all right. Now let us test this app. Is it really working or not? Let's test this app and see if it's really working or not, so that we can know that this application that I've built is genuine and is ready for what? Commercialization. So let's enter our sender email. So this is our sender email. So I'm going to write my sender email. So let me write my email, oladsynergysolutions@gmail.com. Then from name, so let me just write Olad Synergy. All right. Then also recipient name, recipient email. So let me just put one of my emails. All right. Email.com. So subject, let me just say subject win big. Okay, let me just say AI software. All right. The message body, just say welcome on board. All right. We are pleased to have you. All right. We are pleased to have you. Then your SMTP server, I'm going to be using my Gmail account. All right. Now, the SMTP server for Gmail is what? smtp.gmail.com. All right. Then the port is 587. The username is my email. That is oladsynergy@gmail.com. Then my password, so I need to copy my password. I need to paste my password here. All right. Then I'm going to choose Gmail use TLS. All right. Then I'm going to click on send email. All right. Send email. You see that it will say, oh, wow, beautiful. The email sent successfully. Now let's go to our email and let's see. Wow, you can see that 0 minutes ago, just now it came in. Welcome on board. We are pleased to have you. AI software. You can see Olad Synergy, the name. You can see that it's working perfectly. How many minutes do we use to generate this? All right. It is what? Just 1 minute. Less than 1 minute, you have generated this software. And you can use the same software to build an update version of your software. Now, let me say this your software that you have built is version 1. You can also tell the AI genius, all right, to help you, all right, to include. You can see that now we didn't, you can just send to only one person. All right, now you can tell the AI app that okay, you need to implement upload leads. You can upload multiple leads so you can send. All right, then you can upload attachment. You can send attachment. You can tell the AI also to do that for you. All right, and that will be like version 2. So once you are okay that we want to add more features again, you can also tell the AI, okay, I want to make my SMTP to be multiple SMTP. I want to rotate it per minute, per second. You can also include it, all right? And that is what version 3. And that is how I generated this software, all right? This is my personal software that I generated 100% with this AI, all right? You don't need to code at all. You don't need to learn how to code, all right? This AI will do all the work for you. So I'm going to open this software now that I generated completely with AI. And it is a very, very sophisticated, and you can see it also has a license key. You can also generate this kind of app that will have a license key, all right? So that you can sell to your audience, all right? You can see that this app is generated 100%. You can see it is massive. You can send SMS. You can see you can send SMS. You can send emails. All right. You can see you can choose between per hour, per minute. You can also upload leads. You can choose gateway, T-Mobile, Verizon. You can see you can rotate. In fact, this app is very, very sophisticated. You can see my multiple SMTP here. You can add as much SMTP as you want here, and you can also remove if you want. Right? This is exactly what you are going to be learning in this course. All right? This is exactly what you are going to be learning in this course. Now, I'm giving you the chance to join this AI Software Millionaire course so that you can learn how to build massive apps, how you can build sophisticated apps, how you can build apps that can stand the test of time, how you can build profitable apps people really need. This is your time, this is your chance. Don't miss this opportunity. I want you to click on the link below to get instant access to this course and become a proud software developer. All right? Nobody will know that you are not one, but you are one because you are developing massive apps for people. And you can also manage all these apps within this AI Genius. If you want to create different versions, whether your client comes that, okay, I need to add this, I need to implement this, I need to remove this. You can do that, all right, with this AI Genius, all right? This is what a software developer does, all right? And this is what you are doing. Build massive app. You can build a cooperative app. You can build language apps, text generation app. You are going to be learning everything in this course. Click on the link below and get instant access. And don't miss out because I'll be waiting for you in the inside. My name is Solution Ahmed, and don't miss this training because it's going to be massive and it's going to change your life forever. I will see you in the inside.